guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another new slime. I actually just tasted this because it's going to get dry, and I made it this, and it's so cute. And I just put it some purple slime, some green slime, and some white slime in the top, and look what it looks like. And I put like a tiny design right here. It's not tiny. I just used it with some markers. So yeah. And some clay for the purple and the green. So yeah. This is so cute. So let's start. What are we waiting for? Okay. We got this. Okay. I won't put you like that. I don't want it to be dry, so that's why I did it like that. So, yeah, don't bother my brother and dad, because there's sometimes I mean. Let me just fix it. Okay. I ruined it. It's very cute. You could take screenshots. That's my screenshot, I guess. That's another screenshot, sorry. You can take a screenshot on this. Okay, thank you. Alright, look at this. Okay, let's start. Okay, that is so satisfying. 1, 2, 3. Sorry about the noise. It's not Slash ASMR. It's like a new slime and then that's it. This is sick. And if you want me to make a new one, I would. Okay. Wow. There's not a lot of purple. It's like a buzz of lightning slime. That's sick. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, time to smash it. Okay. That's so sad. And we have a new member. I just bought it. A new member of the Dog Squad and Slime Squad. I call this a Dog Slime, Dog Squad, Animal Squad, and Slime Squad. Thank you. Hello, I'm Mustache. Oh, it's turning into like, look at that. Stop. If you want to. Okay. This is super satisfying. And if one of you guys think I bite it, what? I made it. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna make a so I can see. Or I could just teach the ingredients thing. Okay, this is so satisfying. Done, done, done. Okay, now it's time to teach you the ingredients for this slime. Okay, first you need some markers, and then you need a container, and then I'll get the clay. I got the clay. Clay, and then whatever fruit you want, and then just, I think, get white slime, and then just get the colors that you want, like green, and then you put the green in the slime, mix, mix, mix with your hand, and then get the other color, and then mix, 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 and then you get the other color, mix, 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 and then you get white slime, and then you mix it with clay. If you don't have white slime, just mix it with clay, white clay, and then get your markers, and then you get it out, and then you write write your fruit that you want, and get the other color, and then just cover it with tape so it doesn't dry up when you're done with your YouTube thing. Do that. Pretend this is already made. Pretend this is made. And then you close it, and then you put it with some tape. And then when you're done uploading your YouTube, you could rest for a while and play with your new slime. Bye!